Hi everyone, I am Jigna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to show you a little buddy which is quite helpful and makes my life easy in this pandemic. I am talking about ILIFE V5s Pro 2-in-1 robotic vacuum cleaner, which is a must-have product for every household. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is how I have received the packaging. It has a modern technology and it is affordable too. Now here are the parts and accessories which I have received with the robot. Now let's have a look at parts and accessories in detail. Now along with the robot, I have received a water tank, a dust tank, a charging dock and adapter, mop pad with an extra mopping cloth, AAA batteries with a remote control, side brush, cleaning brush, 2 HEPA filters and a warranty card. It has 6 important features like sweep and damp mop, large capacity water tank, brushless electric machine, 1000 PA powerful suction, low noise and intelligent charging. On the right side of it, you will see an on-off switch with easy operation. On the top of it, there is a push cover which helps you to insert and remove the dust tank and the water tank. Now here we have its remote control where you can see a display, a start button, max mode for super suction, a timer, border mode, spot mode and return charge, which is really ideal for cleaning. Just make sure to charge the robot before each use for at least 3 to 4 hours. For sweeping the floor, press the push cover, put in the dust box and turn on the dust suction mode. And for mopping, put in the water tank, turn on the wet towing mode for a clean surface. As you can see, it is quite user friendly. It automatically retreats to its charging dock as the battery runs low. Now this feature is allowing you to enjoy the convenience brought by the robotic technology. It has an intelligent protecting sensor which helps to avoid bumping the furniture. Its fascinating feature is that it self-returns to the charging base when the power is low. Isn't it amazing? I simply want to convey that it is always prepared to clean. Now I will show you how it works. So right now it is on brooming mode. Its suction power is so powerful that it sucks the tiniest particle as well as hair from the floor. Now I have kept it on a mopping mode. Make sure not to use mopping function on the carpets. And keep in mind, remove the water tank and mop pad before charging the robot. Another important point is that its battery life is 110 to 120 minutes. So you can plan your cleaning schedule accordingly. And last but not the least, all the accessories and its spare parts are available separately on Amazon if required in future.
As it is quite risky and difficult to call any house help or maid from outside. So, this vacuum cleaner would be a great helping hand during these days. It has a modern technology and it is affordable too. So I would say it is an excellent product, feeling quite happy with its sensors performance and effectiveness in general. The link is in the description box if you want to buy it. If you like our videos,
please don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.
Also push the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video.
Bye everyone!